Now, main shares here, first of all, about over the past 6 years, a highly anticipated, the world of boxing, the fans of boxing, any neutrals. You per se share two top water with Omaba assassins in recent time. We follow me whether any money pack 2015 if you are. In recent time, you're about bits, until you have over 20,000 team mobile arena, full to capacity and to the rafters. Space to anyway, yes. And so, Mike Tyson, the youngest heavyweight boxer at the age of 20 years. Royalties no but I could be qualify as a boxing royalty. Mike Tyson was there. Evander Holyfield, the only 4-time heavyweight champion. Evander Holyfield was there. Manny Pacquiao, the only boxer our 8-weight class division. Nobody has done that. Manny Pacquiao, Thomas Hens, one of the finest middleweight and heavyweight. I mean, Sugar Ray Leonard, Roberto Duran, Thomas Mavinagla, that quartet of welterweights. He was there because he's been there before Sugar Ray Leonard, the second best when it comes to welterweight after Sugar Ray Robinson. Some guys they didn't hear Charles Leonard.
Yes.
Sugar Ray no far free, Sugar Ray Robinson.
Yeah.
He was also there. They don't tell why Daniel boxing royalty, so that is why I mean count. No, he's not beating a better boxer.
That was only also by J fans, pa.
Yeah, fans you are about on boxer. Papa Okuye Tyson free or no. So that. So yes, yeah. Now Vara, so me dim light now. Normally for a major world title bout, Niamu and say you could the last undercard they about they were as here.
As a mona prep
so
the event na bana.
Nti basa Niamu and say we show time on bed doom kanian kakra. Na baby at the ne asan so kaniano. And yes, so we are afena ring announcer and bebana boxers no abba. And the virus if you can give me the dim light, time our light no call off, no preparing for the anticipated entrance of the two boxers. So dim light, this one, mean cost down. Secondly, now the entry of the two boxers, they are talking, they are not concentrating. The entry of the two boxers. One, Unselas Mikado said Mike Tyson, coin or tossi and obehu, and Tishon, said Terence Crawford, are or no winning toss no. Or no, and a beba second. And until the Aaron Spence about first. Varus, I'm calling for videos. And people are talking. Now, a friend is saying, and what happened was that Aaron Spence Aaron Spence as the first boxer because he didn't win the toss. Then the second one, Terence Crawford. Is it Terence Crawford? You know. Terence Crawford buy you know. Afena Jimmy Lennon Jr. our Showtime ring announcer. Be announcing omo until utie or Jeffery Terence Crawford. Because because there's a toss of coin which we are una oba second I wanna introduce you first. And the introduction introduction if that is ready. Now, so the woman said, ring announcer Jimmy Lennon and making sure say or announce Terence Crawford first, and then he went on to announce Aaron Spence as the pugilist. Two boxers are and now and no happen then Harvey Doc our referee for the day. Harvey Doc and make sure say watch almost and talk about woman share woman. So they say, and have a dog, yes, sir. Now, Yanko round one. To have a dog, yes, sir, we know Yanko about so round one. Clearly, this is about our expertise. Say, Aaron Spence is noted for fundamental good work rate, speed, size, intelligence, good job, body shot, and good movement. Yes. Aaron Spence, Now, dear experts say, Obi to say a brand here friend, Terence Crawford, or a good movement, body punch, adjustment. Fighting in angles, counter punching, left hook, right hook, solid at that, or a powerful puncher. So, who expects that this will be the clash you want to see? And to share round one, clearly, Aaron Spence decides to be cutting ring to half. Round one, I'm still not seeing round one. You have called for round one. Now, round one, or second ring, or ring number two. The reason is why that is his style. The style is or the pressure better, so he will apply the jab consistently and then make sure say obema body shots. Say na be well down the trademark no. And so he did that. In fact, along the line in 1 minute 56 seconds, Ansana Abrantia friend Terence Crawford etibi etu a jab back. So he overhauled him. I mean, do baby he not Crawford clinchy. It was difficult for him because the way the relented pressure, ni jab, ni body shot, na Aaron Spence di bano. As then round 1, 10-9. Nipo win here Aaron Spence. Round 2 no Osan Shasia by with good combination Aaron Spence. Or Shasia na or by good combination or my good body shot and then trust with 3 jabs. Or 3 jabs no near Abrantia Terence Crawford no or bam no. Because the way I did no convention and aha. But then on Saturday me can say me ade back one Aaron Spence when you say na or kon ni man ni refi nechi. So Crawford the jab e kati nya jab back jab no e fa no nechi e ma anybody no so. Then again Osama no 2 jabs e to aso. And then Abrantia Aaron Spence Emano uppercut and a right hook. And Terence Crawford Emma jab. On my jab no. On my jab we not continue with left and a right. Left and a right so you not jam that film.
That form that.
Yes. Yes, there is that film. Now, and see, or fortunate say that's the trainer Derek James. Now, this is dangerous and Danny Garcia Ebida. Or the jab no ball the body body shot. But or the too much weight and it's difficult for him to come back. So it was easy for him to land the left and the right. And he was fortunate, say, few seconds naka and a bell no SAV no. Now round 4. Round 4 na semi round 4 no, round 4 no, Aaron Spence started say on my 2 body shot and Crawford by 1, 2, 3 shot and an uppercut. Uppercut no bring the sukakra. And the man who him started moja.
Yes.
Good. Now a no Aaron Spence jab, 1 jab, another jab again, and then Abrantia Emano 2 big left hooks and a right. And Tiama hono I feel they own said the near chi left. Started say a pie. Yeah. Tia ho and Terence who said so we continue round 5, then round 7, the double knockdown. Round 7. Now round 7, once again he started and then miss hook from Aaron Spence. And Terence Crawford, combinative punches and then snapshot and first knockdown round 7, you know. Then Osan sorry referee no account Osan sorry by no. And Oji Nenesu uppercut a fad, uppercut no hanomo. Uppercut and a right hook. Uppercut them right hook, another right hook, and auto for the second time. And on around for that you scored around 10-7.
And all that round of
10-7, round 2, 10-8. So he's lost 4 rounds in addition to that one. So on Osha the scorecards of the 3 judges, Osha Tim Cheltenham, David Sunderland, and Steve Westwood. At that time he was losing your scorecards. Then came that was the left hook. Oh. Yes. Then came round 9. Round 9 no mobile. Clearly way person finishing. Because on him say I called the last 3 rounds championship round from round 10 assemble. So you need to get something done there. And I was proper now do her. And you know here he started with 2 jabs and then now on no more aggressors compared to the earlier rounds, mid rounds now. Aaron Spence the aggressor no. And now left hook, right hook, another left hook, 2 left hook and right hooks. Avide jam. Referee who said, "Ban sheya akolebekuno." Don't forget, say 5th round no referee. Emma doctor ebe share Aaron Spence before I say 5th round. I say send an anima piper to us one. That was it. Now, Barton is undisputed welterweight champion.
But over 2 anos, but we say baby back could be your ball. Aaron Spence man a ball form.
Yes.
And Okoko Jina and Chen baby are not can't be che Jamal Charlo.
Yeah.
Meaning only Charlo now the issues one.
No. We know till only Jamal Charlo they are in the same camp. Aaron Spence the Jamal Charlo trained by Derek James.
Okay, Dina Crawford call no wa. We all now no na
Crawford say wabon.
Oh, okay.
Wasa.
Okay.
No, ono Crawford baby ono say ono no Jamal no. Oye WBC
yes.
Yes.
That's an incident.
Yeah, oye WBC middleweight champion.
Oh, okay.
And I see ono pass akwe Bena. Now he's telling him that Masa ade won see me ntimi nya no maye.
I was Saturday no Kansas City as
yes.
Aerospace be bu we
no so be bu simple 6 round. And Tibaye Masa me sure say me Terence Crawford maye. So that's why because say Jamel omo twins.
Yes.
Baku 154 pounder super middleweight undisputed. Super welter undisputed we WBC middleweight champion. Omo nyina are trained by Derrick James who happened to be the trainer for Aerospace. They are in the same stable. Wow. So there's here. So about sa no enti na call Jana baby Ojano. But Adibako woman say mean to keep the beer away from what he has done. He controlled the ball brilliant. A brutal execution of master technical exploit and performance by him. But the woman say Abrantie Orbano Ushe Nima. Don't forget say Aaron Spence anya accident mienu. Who's the last time he started them in Kawasem? This is not him. Look, to have an accident this was 2019 and then have another accident 2022.
We are 2019
2019 2022 I said junior man you could see say he's not really the guy. 2 accidents in a space of 2 years. Very horrific. And this is not the Aaron Spence I know. I'm not taking anything away from performance. But I have here to Saturday me can wasem say men who say anya a toll effect on he didn't put up. Yes. I it was like a one-sided bout. So they are say Now don't worry, rematch about but Opeso Mukun 154 pound.
154 pound.
I say a horn any natural weight. Aaron Spence. Until he will be forced 30 days Weber respond, but it will take place. Ebia someone 154 Bombeko catch weight between 147 and 154 Bombeko catch weight in between the road they can do that. Send Ebia or no Crawford no obetimi weight because it's not bigger like we. That's what to rematch Mebaso. And we rematch Mebaso. We almost face Kappa. With pay-per-view, both of them should make it no less than $10 million. Pay-per-view. Pay-per-view. We don't see the number. The number is calculated.
But Omanya was a Bakunya's.
Oh yeah, $10 million.
Bakubia.
Yeah, $10 million.
$10 million.
Yes. Now, Zambia. Oh, Mamito. I don't.
Also, $10 million.
What problem?
Omami abu ni nyina echi.
Rematch no crab chen.
We job now $10 million say be to na kaza. E de kuro na kaza dey do. So ni ati kama man is kazo sisa kuro lo kura yina ba bela.
Fantastic.
Me fa ye ya.
Babu abunya $10 million atabu. I don't think you even think of.
What's it say? $10 million. I'm glad about Quiji. My $500,000 is here. Oh, you have a break. $10 million, you ought to be cool. $500,000. Oh, my father. Manu do come. Every sort of me have a break. Come on, dear, deeper. Baby, I'll be a more boss, patch on my back. Thank you. And about 2 weeks, I don't know about. Yaminyo. Oh, Neta, Yamama was Kababu. Oh, yeah, to was ever had drink kakra. Ever had drink kakra. My body or Chambas. But your chamber, interesting. Last week, Japan, Maza. Don't joke. No, other. They are technically solid. Too good. They are too good.
Yes, and me, Makasa team be high USA. It is a Japanese team. Almost difficult to break down. Very organized, well disciplined. And I was at the machine football, robot football.
Too much. Now, Jeff, I'm the finesse account.
Yes.
Where
can you matter? A ball or more ball and Hayashi.
The only Mina Tanaka.
Tanaka.
On no anymore. And I 10 be in Finfino.
Okay, we are friends. Minata. I want to share 2 rules. Oh, you're brutal.
Oh, I'm sure.
Brutal.
But this is a black ones and one a bit must stop in Japan.
Oh, that one. Hey, now tell you more yet. Yeah, I need to mention.
SOMPA
Sports.
Team there,
Colombia. I hear Germany and Juma. Yes. Now first go to Caicedo.
Polo Caicedo upon the Real Madrid. Bishop, who be that?
Aye. Oh, a very good player.
Bishop, more common than the member as why. But we could do Cobra.
SOMPA Sports. Onya ACL.
Yes.
nyame kwa ne kura nipa hye biro
ba be ye djuma no
nyame kwa
onipa na ne abre nyina ba bi obo ntia
o de ka se do de bo no ni botu ma biriana bibia woko de
nyango bo ado bibia re boko
ozi ya de be to ka adam de
e fa ta asase fa ta asase